In this video, I'll show you how to make your desktop look clean and professional. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now at first you need to be displayed with this your desktop background, right? So if you want to make your desktop look professional, you need to put in a very nice desktop wallpaper, right? So this is mine. And to make this look clean, what I need to do, I would I would right click on my mouse, right? Once I right clicked on my mouse, I would scroll down to this view, right? Then you can come on here and change this to smaller icons, right? You can come on here on this view. You can make this to be medium icons. You can come on here and make it to be large icons, right? So we want to make this our desktop background look clean, right? So I would put it on small icons. Then if I want to make it to be blank, right, I would tap on this show desktop icons, right? So this is how you can make your desktop background look clean and professional. So you can still get this feature back if you want to get it back, right? You click on this view, scroll down, click on this show desktop icons. So this is basically how you can make your desktop background look professional. If you enjoyed this video, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the next one.